What's up, guys?
Hi. Good, man. Good. First of all, I guess you guys got a little fun today.
Yeah, I got a good fun today.
These are the four,
It's a lobster pan.
the four tannest people in all the state of Florida.
The four lobsters.
The four lobsters. Right now, you guys should rename yourself the four lobsters. Well, we're glad you guys are here, and you guys are going to be performing for us later on. Can't help falling in love. You guys are remaking an Elvis tune.
Yeah.
That's big shoes to fill right there.
Big shoes.
Doesn't get any bigger.
Big shoes.
Oh, Jonah with his best line in 2.5 years. That's the best line ever right out of his mouth. He's going to follow it up with a rhyme.
Heaven that would be a blast. Looks like the 18th of Florida fans.
It is nice to have him back, growing up before their eyes, before our eyes. Next, we're going to be calling somebody, and also Hope, Adam, and Paul. One of them is going to the Slime later. Welcome back to Slime Time. Got to give a shout out to Pioneer Middle School. We have like most of the school here today, so they wanted to be on TV, and now they are. Check out Zach up there, about to get himself a pie in the face. There you go, buddy. Now listen, I don't want you to feel like you're going to get one and your dad's not, so he's going to get one too. Come on. Over here, the 18s are ready to tell us what our first mystery mess for our first round is. Guys, what do we got?
We got some clam chowder.
Clam chowder. Right. In the mystery bucket for the first round of Slime Time, which is happening very soon.
Here's one of your choices for... Choices for...
Ready for our first game. Amit and Marie are standing by to help us out. They're in charge of the button here, the slime with no return button. It's been a while, guys. Do you remember the technique?
Yeah, we got some...
Yeah?
We got some new stuff. Okay, we got some new stuff worked out.
Oh, you do? Oh, the new moves. All right, looking forward to seeing those. Okay. Samantha from Wyoming, Michigan. She's got 2 states in one right there. Hi, Samantha.
Hi. Hi, Samantha.
Yeah, these guys say hi to you. Say hi right back to them.
Hi.
Okay, Samantha, now that everybody said hi, now that everyone's friends, let's get our game started. Over there, they all want to go to the Slime Relator. Only one's going, and you get to choose who by picking a number on your phone. Go ahead and do it.
Yep.
Your teammate is Adam. Come on, Adam. All right, Adam and Samantha, I'm guessing you guys want to know what prize we're playing for. Well, let's tell you right now. Here's something.
A vertical 26-inch 21-speed PK7 bike with aluminum frame and dual suspension distributed by Dynacraft.
Adam, anything you want to say? Any thoughts you want to share right now?
I want to get mine.
Well, let's see if we can do that. Send them back. Let's time. Samantha, we are giving you Helga on the game board. You got 3 chances. You got to find the 2 pictures of Helga that are right next to each other. They'll either be side to side, top to bottom, or diagonally. There can't be a box anywhere in between them. And if you do it, grand prize for you and one for Adam. And we're going to dump clam chowder for slime. Good luck. Go.
5 and 2.
5 and 2. It's Helga and Tommy. You're off to a nice start. Try again.
5 and 8.
5 and 8 is Helga and Jimmy. Last chance. Find me that other Helga.
5 and 1.
5 and 1 is Helga, and you got yourself a grand prize. Let me see those new moves. Oh, good job. Good for you, the clam chowder. The slime and the soup have fallen on Adam, but you know, Adam, you got soup, you need some crackers, and you could use a pie in the face, too. Coming up, another episode of Recap, another round of Slime Time, and a performance from the A-Teams. That's all headed your way.
Now, what song are you going to be performing for us today? Can't Help Falling in Love. Can't Help Falling in Love. Now, that's an old Elvis song, right? That you guys redid? I think it's great. Are you guys big Elvis fans? Yeah. Well, we have our very own Elvis right here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Marie, what do you think of that Elvis impersonation?
I'm sorry, but that was the worst thing I've seen in my life.
Looks more like James Brown. There you go, honey. Give it to him.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Player, real soon.
We got a special fan that we need to acknowledge the only way that we really know how to do that, and that is with a Slime Time Live pie in the face. Here you go. This pie is for you. You can have the rest later for dinner. All right. Now moving on over here to connect with Sarah and Donnie as we get ready for our second round of Slime Time Live. Before we do that, let's talk a little bit about your album. It's called Pop City Drop, coming out soon. Tell us a little bit about it.
Recorded around January to March, and it's a really drawn album. It's like Playing Song.
And Emily's on the phone. Emily lives in Alabama. Emily is going to be our next player today. Hi, Emily.
Hi,
What's up, Emily?
Hey.
How are you?
I'm at home watching TV.
home watching TV. She's ready to win a grand prize. Are you ready to win a grand prize, Emily?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if we can make that happen. You know what you have to do next. You got to get yourself a teammate by hitting a number on your phone, so go ahead and do that. And your partner is Alec. Alec, come on. Wow, jumped up there. That's pretty impressive. Okay, Emily and Alec, this is our next team today, and this once again is the grand prize that we're going to just try and give both of them. Here it is.
A vertical 26-inch 21-speed PK7 bike with aluminum frame and dual suspension distributed by Dynacraft.
Alec, what's on your mind? What do you want to say?
Flying you later, dude.
Well said. Send back. Left. That was awesome. All right, Emily, you got Darwin on the game board. You got 3 chances. You pick 2 numbers at a time. If you find those 2 pictures of Darwin right next to each other, you're getting a grand prize, and so is Alec. Good luck. Now we're going to shuffle them up, and when they're done shuffling, you start picking. Ready? Go, Emily.
5 and 6.
5 and 6. Cat Dog and Darwin. Nice. Try again.
3 and 6.
3 and 6. Chucky and Darwin. Last chance. Go again.
8 and 6.
8 and 6 is Eliza and Darwin. It was numbers 2 and 6. But you don't get the grand prize. Just look at a Slime Time t-shirt or a hat. Alex is going to get one too. And guys, can you hit that button, please, so we can dump some horse oats on Alex, which will be coming down directly, eventually, perhaps, sometime soon. There. Nay. So congratulations to Emily and Alec for getting their Slime Time Live t-shirt or hat. And also, Alec, I forgot to tell you you're going to get one. Right there. Good fun.
Across the world. She's about to faint right now. Hey, our first elimination round is coming up. Horsey Pod, followed by a performance from the A-Team. Here's your Daily Ninja Grid.
Performance from the 18th. The song is called Can't Help Falling in Love. And here it is. going for them. Great job, guys. Fantastic performance. We have another elimination round that we're set to play. The 18.
Another elimination round.
Close out another season of Slime Time. That's to our special guest today, the 18. Love it when you guys are here, but as you can tell, the guys have changed into the Slime Time gear, which means we're getting slime. Very nice. And ladies, why don't you tell them what's going to be dumped on their heads in a few minutes? What do we got today?
Okay, horse puppy,
Clam chowder.
slime,
And whipped cream.
I'm not sure if you guys heard the first one. It was horse pucky, which is a little disgusting, but you know what? Too late now. I'd like to see the big Shaboozey right about now. So, Samantha, how about you? How you doing?
Good.
Good. Did you also have a nice day?
Yeah.
Good. Your team is in red. They're next to Jessica, and Donnie's over there. And let's see the dance that they got cooking. Oh, the team unity. You got to love the team unity. That's what it's all about. Guys, here's your topic today for the Big Shaboozey. It is famous horse or famous rodent. And I'm going to give you guys the name of either a famous horse or a famous rodent. When you know which one I'm talking about, you're going to hit your touchdown buzzer, and I'm going to call on you. And if you can get it right, someone on your team will take a pie in the face as the reward. But if you get it wrong, that's cool, no big deal, except that someone on the other team, they're getting the pie in their face. And the first team that gets 3 pies on 3 faces, they're going to win the game, and they're going to get to take home
a vertical 26-inch, 21-speed PK7 bike with aluminum frame and dual suspension distributed by Dynacraft.
And of course, they're also going to get some of this. The whipped cream cannons, Randy's favorite, the booty blasters, and then the combo of horse pucky, clam chowder, slime, and whipped cream. So let's go. Let's play the Big Shaboozey.
The Big Shaboozey.
And remember, it is famous horse or famous rodent. Here is the first one. Hit your buzzer and tell me. Bandit. Anna.
Horse.
A horse. Yeah. That's a bye for the team of blue. 1-0. I'm on a little Sandy Cheeks. Hannah again.
Rodent.
A rodent. A squirrel, which means 2 pies for the blue team. One more and they win. Now, Samantha, you got to try and make this a ball game here. Can you do it? Can you come back?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if you can get this next one. Okay. Spirit. Samantha.
Horse.
Yeah, you're on the board. And now we got a game. Mr. Ed. Hannah.
Horse.
A horse, of course, of course. That's another pie, and that, guess what, is the ball game. So the blue team, the champions today, whipped cream, booty blasters, and how about some horse pucky, clam chowder, slime, and some more whipped cream on a mitt. Yeah, very nice, except for the fact that Donnie didn't really get hit with anything, so, I don't know. Maybe Jessica, first of all, we got a pie everyone over there. Amit, come on over here, man. Come on over. You got to help us out. You guys are good friends, and I want you to go over and give Donnie a big hug, because he's way too clean. He doesn't have any slime on him or anything. And Jonah, since you're the master of throwing the pies, see if you can launch one over in that direction. Right there, Jonah, the J-Man with the throw. Well, I was saying hit the 18s, but either way, that works too. That's what we're talking about. Nice throw, Jess. On the show tomorrow, Dana Carvey will be here, which means it's going to be a funny show, guaranteed, because he's pretty much a hysterical guy. Thanks again to the 18s. Fantastic job, as always. There's just, too much love in the room right now. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. Later on, take care. Dana Carvey on the show tomorrow, our final show of the season, so you guys got to be here to see it.